Far too many home cooks today struggle with dull, unreliable knives without even realizing how much time and energy they lose in the kitchen every single day. Upgrading to a premium knife system can completely transform the way you prepare food, making every slice smoother, every chop faster, and every meal easier to bring together. The right knife set doesn't just help you cook better, it helps you enjoy cooking again. And today, we're diving into the top 5 premium knife systems available right now on Amazon, featuring outstanding quality, long-lasting sharpness, and modern designs built for real-world performance. Before we begin, remember to use our affiliate links because they always take you to the latest deals and discounts for each product we mention. Now let's get into it. Starting off strong, the Ninja Knife Set. Foodie Never Dull. 14-piece set, K32014, brings serious performance to any kitchen. This set features stainless steel knives, designed to stay razor sharp with the help of Ninja's Never Dull technology, a built-in sharpener that keeps each blade in perfect cutting condition. Every knife glides smoothly through meats, vegetables, and fruits, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. The knife block has a sleek black finish that fits effortlessly into modern kitchen decor, while the steak knives, chef knives, and utility knives provide everything you need for everyday cooking. Whether you're chopping onions, slicing chicken breasts, or preparing a full family dinner, this set offers durability and dependability that many budget options can't match. Moving on, we have the Ninja K32012 Foodie Never Dull Premium 12-piece knife system, which takes the concept of kitchen-ready convenience even further. Crafted from German stainless steel, these knives offer enhanced balance, edge retention, and cutting accuracy. The built-in sharpener is one of the standout features, automatically restoring each blade to like-new sharpness in seconds. This gives home cooks a level of consistency that typical manual sharpeners struggle to deliver. The knife block's matte black finish adds a professional look, while the lighter weight and refined ergonomics make these knives extremely comfortable to use during long cooking sessions. Whether you're searing steaks or chopping vegetables for soup, this set brings pro-level performance to everyday cooking. Next is the Ninja K62014 Foodie Never Dull Premium 14-piece knife system, a top-tier option offering both stainless steel and black design elements for a modern, polished appearance. The build quality of this set is immediately noticeable. The German stainless steel blades feel strong and precise, encouraging cleaner cuts and better control. The Never Dull sharpener is built directly into the block, allowing you to restore blade sharpness with one simple pull. This feature alone places the K62014 ahead of many competing brands, especially those requiring separate sharpening tools. With its chef knife, bread knife, paring knife, and steak knives, this set gives you the complete package. If you're tired of dealing with dull, frustrating blades, this system is designed to completely eliminate that problem. Stepping into craftsmanship rooted in a century of expertise, the Henkel's premium quality 15-piece knife set delivers German-engineered performance with remarkable sharpness and longevity. Henkel's knives are known for their lightweight feel combined with exceptional strength, making them ideal for cooks who want precise cuts without hand fatigue. Each blade is honed to a razor-sharp edge capable of slicing effortlessly through tough ingredients like squash, meat, and crusty bread. The full set includes every essential knife plus a hardwood block that looks elegant on any kitchen counter. Many people appreciate that this set is dishwasher safe, adding convenience while maintaining performance that outshines countless generic brands. Finally, the Cutlux 15-piece knife set offers a premium black wood block and high-carbon German stainless steel blades designed for artisans who appreciate high-end craftsmanship. Each knife features a full-tang design, ensuring long-lasting strength and balance from handle to blade tip. The ultra-sharp edges are ideal for professional-style slicing, mincing, and dicing, making kitchen tasks feel smooth and precise. The black wood block adds a luxurious touch to your kitchen, while the ergonomic handles allow for incredibly comfortable use. This set is perfect for anyone who values both aesthetics and performance and wants knives that feel premium the moment you pick them up. All 5 of these premium knife systems are built to elevate your kitchen experience, offering sharper blades, improved comfort, and a level of durability that makes cooking more enjoyable. Whether you prefer the never-dull sharpening technology of Ninja, the historic craftsmanship of Henkel's, or the artisanal precision of Cutlux, each set promises long-term value. Be sure to check out the links below to get the latest deals and bring one of these high-quality knife systems into your home. Upgrading your knives isn't just a kitchen improvement. It's a lifestyle upgrade that makes every meal easier, faster, and far more satisfying.